Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to join the yarn in knitting. I use this technique for the yarn made with wool. I haven't tried using this technique for acrylic or any other synthetic yarn, so I can't say that it's gonna work as well. I join the yarn using this technique only for wool yarn. As I was knitting, I came to the point where I found this joining and I don't want to leave it in my knitting, so I am going to cut the yarn and rejoin the yarn again using the technique that I'm gonna show now. To help me join the yarn, I'm gonna use a sharp needle. So I will take both ends of the yarn and I will place them like that, and with the needle I'm gonna do like that. I'm just gonna make them a little fuzzy, those ends. So the idea is to make them fuzzy and just a little thinner than the yarn is originally. So that's what I have. This part came off, and that's fine because I really wanted to make each of the yarn thinner, and because I'm gonna be joining them together, I wanted to look like one piece of yarn, so one string instead of two thick yarn. This is came off from both of them. So next I want to place them like that, join them with hands as much as I can. I want to twist them like that. Just simply twisting those parts. First, I'm gonna just twist them with fingers, as I'm showing right now. So after that, I'm gonna take them to my hands and I'm gonna twist them in this way. And you can even see right now how it's already changed a little bit, but I'm gonna continue for a few more minutes just to make sure it's connected well. So that's where our joining is. And if I'm gonna pull them, we'll see how strong connection is. So that's the joining right here in this part. So that's how you can connect the yarn, wool yarn, in the knitting, in the way that it's even hard to see where the joining is, at least for me. That's how joining looks in the knitting. It's been made here. After that, I knitted a few rounds and I can see where I made the joining because I made a note of it. So that's right here. So starting with this loop over here, that's where I used the yarn with the joining. So you can see for yourself that it's not really noticeable. And only if you know where you made it, you can find those loops. Otherwise, it looks pretty much the same as the other loops. If you like this technique, please give it a try and tell me in the comments how you like it. Also, I want to stress it out that I use this technique only for the wool yarn. Right now I'm using merino wool. I'm not sure if it's gonna work for acrylic or other synthetic yarn. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.